We are here in Collegetown Plaza to take a look at the 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment 5M. We're on the 5th floor of this 9-floor elevator building. You can see the living room straight ahead of us here. We've got a dining table and chairs. You can see the seating areas and tables, also a TV. There's an air conditioner that is for this living room area. Now, if you have seen the building overview videos, you'll remember that Collegetown Plaza entrance level is on the 4th floor. The lobby is on floor 4. We are on floor 5, but the entrance is on the east side. We are on the west side of the building, which is the downhill side. So that means that the 5th floor is a high up floor, more than 1 floor above ground. And so you can see the view from the living room here. That's a west facing view. And here again, living room. You've got some nice space in here. This is a good sized living room. You can move the dining table around, the furnishings around however you like. This is the bathroom door here, and we'll actually look at the kitchen first and then come back and see the bathrooms and the bedrooms. So here is the kitchen. This is an updated kitchen, so we have the newer appliances. We've got great cupboard space. The microwave is elevated over the sink and dishwasher, and there's a stove and oven, and there's a couple drawers as well. Let's go over. That blue door is the entrance that we came in, and this door here is the bathroom. So let's take a look. It's like the other bathrooms that we've seen in Collegetown Plaza. That means you'll have the tub shower with the sliding door, the vanity and sink, the toilet and towel bars, and a small mirrored cabinet on the wall. Let's go take a look at the bedrooms. So here on floor 5 in Collegetown Plaza, that's the same floor that the maintenance department is on. Here's room 1. We're going to room 1. And the laundry room is also on this floor. That makes it really convenient to access those services here in the building. I like room 1 because we have this angled entryway. Here you can see the furnishings, the dresser, the bookshelf, the desk and chair, the full-size bed. Let's go take a peek out the window. All of the windows have their own lock. This is room 1. And again, you can kind of see that angled entry over here a little better. Right next to that is room 2. So there are two rooms on each side of the living room. And we're going on into room 2. So again, 5th floor, this is great because you're just 1 floor above the lobby. So you can just go up and down the stairs if you're not a fan of elevators, but the elevator is also there for your use. And we're on the same floor as the maintenance and laundry. And let's go over, here we go. We can take a look out the window over here on room 2. Oh, that was the closet there is behind the door. There we go. There's a peek at a closet. Let's go on over across the kitchen and go see the other 2 rooms. Collegetown Plaza is located at 111 Dryden Road. We're right in the heart of Collegetown. From our corner at College and Dryden, we are located just 1 block to campus, so we're in a great location in the Collegetown neighborhood, but of course there are buildings around all sides of us. Here is room 3. Room 3, this is a good example right here when we talk about in the videos of don't put your bed right up next to the heater so you don't block the heater. This is a good example of having your bed out just a little bit, and that helps the heat flow in the winter within the rooms. And another nice view, good valley views over here. So we're looking to the west from all of the rooms in this apartment. They all face the same direction to the west. Okay, and closet again over here. So regular closet in these first 3 rooms. And then as we go into room 4, this is the final room. This is at the end of the kitchen. This is the largest room. So you can see we definitely have more floor space here within the room. And another special feature with the closets that we'll show you. Let's go look out the window first. So room 4 in apartment 5M. This layout, that M style apartment, we have on floors 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. They're the same layout. They all have that updated kitchen. The difference will be on the upper floors, like the top 2 floors, some of the rooms will have a nice lake view. And here's our special closet feature in this room. Room 4 does have the double closet. So you have 2 full closets here within the room. That's great if you have a lot of extra items for storage. Sometimes people have a little bit more stuff. And here we go again through the kitchen. So this is a look at Collegetown Plaza 5M. Again, this unit or model is available on floors 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The difference is just what you see out the window. They're the same other than that. Here in Collegetown Plaza, located at 111 Dryden Road, and we're just 1 block to campus.